Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get responses in Google Forms, full guide. Open your form and go straight to the Responses tab, then toggle on Accepting Responses and choose whether to collect email addresses. Next, review general settings to enable one response per person or allow anonymous replies. Finally, test the form with a quick submission to confirm responses land in the Responses tab and linked spreadsheet. Share your form intentionally by choosing a method that fits your audience, whether link, email, or embedding on a page. If you need broad participation, set the form to anyone with the link can respond and disable sign-in requirements. For private groups, restrict access to specific Google accounts and add collaborator permissions for teammates who need to view responses. Always test the shared link to ensure responses are being accepted. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot Smart Speaker is a smart little helper that can play audio prompts during workshops, set reminders when you launch a survey, and add a touch of personality to your workspace with great sound. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Linking your form to Google Sheets gives you instant access to a live record and makes analysis easier with filters and formulas. Improve data quality by setting required questions and adding response validation for emails or numbers. Turn on email notifications or use add-ons for automated alerts so you never miss a submission. Regularly review and archive old responses to keep your dataset tidy and actionable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.